Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. First, before I get into Teledoc here and how we've been trading this, I want to mention on Tuesday, this next Tuesday, I'm going to be teaching a live trading course, and it starts before the market opens. So we're going to do some day trading during the first hour of the market. And so if you're a member, you're already in, you're getting email, you're going to get emails on that in a way to get into the webinar. I haven't taught one of these in quite a while for various reasons that I'm not going to go into now, but I am teaching one on Tuesday. If you want to check it out and you're not a member, just sign up for our free trial. Sign up for a free 30-day trial, and then you can show up at the webinar. I always try to make money, like immediate money. Let's make some money right now. It doesn't always work that way. Sometimes there's nothing to trade, or sometimes, we just don't get it right, but that's the goal. And so hopefully you'll check it out. You might like it and then decide to become a member. But if you don't, that's not a big deal. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. So anyway, hope to see you there. All right. With Teledoc, I put this trade, we opened up this trade in Teledoc earlier this month, like on the 7th, when the stock first popped out here. We put it on during the day here. So the stock runs up, but it's kind of required a bit of patience, because you can see, and you'll often see this, a big move higher, stock runs up after that, and then it starts to pull back. And so, if you're not careful, you could say, oh my gosh, I'm wrong, I got to sell. No, you have to let the stock do its thing, ebb and flow. Oh crap, it pulls back again. Now it's in a different box. It had been in a trading range down here. Now it's up here between 220 and like 230 or 235. Boom. Finally, we get the same exact thing. We get the textbook double from what we got here when we initially bought it. So this indicates that there's even higher prices to come. You'll notice this. On this move here, look at the volume, high volume. On this move here, look at the volume. So guys, this is institutional buying, and they're buying a stock that's been in a basing pattern since July. Okay, that's a long sideways move, and this turns out not to have been a top. It turns out to have been consolidation. Institutions are in again, and the stock keeps moving up, and then finally, what do we get? Today, we get yet another move. And so this stock is really on a run. If you look at the weekly chart, this is actually the first candle. This is the first chart, or the first bar, that's actually showing a move to a new high. So I wouldn't buy it right here. We already own it, making good money on this. I think you got to just play the pattern. And that means looking at what happens before, where the stock, runs up, and then ultimately it does kind of pull back and fill like it did here. So I would stand, if you're long the stock, keep your stop right here. Okay, but I would stand back if you're not long. Let the stock settle out for a few days, and my bet is you'll be able to buy it somewhere down here. Okay, so that's it. Again, hope to see you on Tuesday. It's going to be a lot of fun. I always look forward to it, and our members do tend to, let's just say they have change in their pocket to count at the end of the session, okay? All right, have a good weekend.